Hey, it's Ronan. If you're like me and I'm like you, then Ukraine has been on our minds for the last week or so. And I just learned a Ukrainian song called Hey Sokoli. And I thought I would teach you this song. There's no need for a free 3-day trial. The link to the sheet music is in the description. But before you click the sheet music, I'd like for you to sit through this lesson if you really want to learn the song. If you're the kind of learner who right away goes for the sheet music, give me 5 minutes to show you my methodology about how to learn a song so that it sticks with you. And here's the idea. It's okay to read with sheet music. And that's definitely a part of learning. But if you're going to take your accordion out, if it's safe to do so, to play in a crowd of people, to encourage a group of people to come together, it's sometimes hard to have the sheet of music in front of you. What I want to teach you today is how to internalize the song a little bit faster, and maybe to have a little piece of paper here on your accordion with the chords of the song so that they're easier to play. The song has 4 or 5 chords, which I think you already know, and it's a matter of playing them in the right order. And what I'll show you in this lesson is how to play so you can accompany voices, how to sing even if you don't know Ukrainian, so I can go out in a crowd of people and lead a group of people in this song to bring people together and to bring light and love into the world, which is really what music's all about. So there are timestamps in the description. If you want to skip along, the sheet music's in the description too. Let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy. So let me play the song for you. I'll play about a minute of it, and then we'll learn the song together. Just like I do over on accordionlove.com, I'll show you the chords of the song. We'll do a sing-along / playback exercise, and then we'll go through the sheet music together as well. So the song is called Hey Sokoli. Not a difficult song. This is not a difficult song. Let's learn it together. So I'll have a link in the description to how I suggest learning songs. But in general, we don't need our accordion for the first step. The first step is to listen to the song. Maybe someone else's performance, not necessarily my performance. Put the song, listen to it for 4 times. And then we're singing it back. We're anticipating the chord changes. So again, put away the accordion, listen to the song. Step 2, after listening to it, we're going to fast forward a little bit, is to do a playback exercise or a singing exercise. So typically, you would do a playback exercise. Let me sing this to you, despite me not knowing the song very well or speaking or understanding Ukrainian. This is how I would teach the song to you if this was a real life. So it goes like this. I'll sing a little phrase, you hum it back or sing it back. So it goes like this. La da 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 da. Die, die, die. Again. Die, 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 die. Da, die, die. Together. Do, 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 da, 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 da. Same thing, but different. Die, 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 da, die, die. Do, 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 die, da, die, die. Both of them together. Do, do, da, da, da. Da 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 da. If you could sing that back and forth in your head or in a group, good. This is really how I teach other musicians song. This is how, if I'm in a group, I teach a song. We omit the words. It's harder to remember words, especially if it's in another language. It's easier to hum along, to say the na na na, die die die, lie lie lie. So yai die 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 die, la lie die 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 die, la die die. Next part, same as the first part. Die 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 die, la die die. Together. Do da ba 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 da da. To end it, lie da die die die. Again. Lie, da, die, die, die. Let's do the whole first part together. Lie, die, 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 da, die, 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 da, die, 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 la, die, 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 da, die, die, die. Wonderful. That's part A of the song. Now we're entering the chorus. Hey, 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 sokoli. Let's do it together. So we just finished. Die, 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 die. Ready? Hey, hey, I, da, die, die. Together. Hey, hey, die, da, die, die. Nice, right? This is like the hey, 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 la, die, die. Lie, die, die, da, die, 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 die. Again. Lie, die, die, da, die, 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 die. Let's put them both together. Hey, hey, lie, da, die, 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 da, die, 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 die. Again. Hey, hey, lie, da, die, 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 da, die, 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 die. Good. To wrap up this part of the song, the chorus, same as the beginning. Lie, die, 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 da, die, die. Again. Lie, die, 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 da, die, die. Same as the first part. Lie, da, lie, die, die. Let's do the whole second part. Hey, hey, lie, da, die, die, do, da, die, da, die, 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 da, die, 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 da, die, die, die. I, die, I, da, die, 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 da, die, 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 da, da, die, da, da, die. That's the song. There are two parts. What I hope you get out of singing along like this, the playback, is we haven't necessarily looked at the sheet music. We're apart from the chords. We haven't touched our accordion. Maybe you have, but that's okay. We're using our voices. I find that when someone teaches me a song like this, 2 days from now, if they go, hey, hey, I'll likely remember that, hey, 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 da, die, die. And even if it's that part, the next time that I hear it, I'll remember it. Versus the sheet music, which is very precise, but it doesn't have the same effect. We wouldn't get to the chorus if we were to sit down and play with the sheet music. Good. With that out of the way, I think you're ready to go out in a group of people. And again, if this song is being sung in a circle for 3 minutes, you'll understand it. You'll get it. You'll feel when the chord changes are. You'll get an idea for what you've experienced the song. You haven't just read it. Good. Let's pick up our accordions. Let me show you the chords of the song. There are 4 of them. The song is in G minor. Again, this is how I teach on Accordion Love. We always need to know the chords of the song. If you don't know every chord and how to switch between the chords, there's no way to play the song. So take it step by step. If you're not familiar with any of these, refer to the lesson and learn it. So the song's in G minor. La 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 la. D major or D7. La da 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 da. G minor. Die, 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 die. D major or D7. La, da, die, die, G minor. 2 chords. Not difficult, right? G minor. Doing an oompa. Bass tone, G minor, G minor, G minor, G minor, D major, G minor. That's part A. Easy, right? 2 chords. Next part, we're going to go to the B flat, and in between that, we're going to use the F chord, the F major chord. We see this over and over in songs. It's a beautiful chord progression. To get from this minor to the major, we have F as the stepping stone. Sa, la, da, 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 G minor. F. Look at that strong step. And now to the B flat. B flat. B flat. Then we have the F again. The D. That's going to be the biggest jump in this song. So again, we had G minor and D. We used F to move over to B flat. And here, please refer to the sheet music. That's okay to really look and follow along. B flat, F, D or D7, G minor. So let's play the da, B flat, F, D7. Beautiful chord. G minor, D7 or D, G minor. So those 4 chords, D, G, F, B flat. Those are the chords of the song. You need to know in which order to play them. But again, the practice for you is to being able to move between these chords. So if I say, hey, show me the G minor to D7, even without looking, be able to switch between them. Show me the F to D. That's the tough one. F to D. And if you're having trouble moving, that's okay. Look at my lesson on incrementally larger bass jumps. Don't attempt the F to D if you can't do the F to C, if you can't do the F to G. Eventually, you'll land on the F to D consistently. Good. Those are the chords of the song, and that's all we need to sing in a group. Put this together with your vocals, just in a simple oompa pattern. Easy. We can sing in a group now. Wonderful. Refer to my lesson on singing along with a group and accompanying voices, because what we need to do now is play those same chords that we did on the left hand with our right hand. You need to learn how to play a G minor, how to play a D or a D7, how to play a B flat, and how to play an F. Learn those chords, their different voicings, and how to switch between them smoothly so you can accompany a group of people singing. I'm using an alternate bass technique, right? Look at my lesson on alternate bass technique for the right fingering, for doing those jumps. And again, I'm accompanying my voice with the same chords on my right hand. Hey, 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 sokole, ta ta ta, da da da, da 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 da. Right? I'm doing all of those things. Refer to the sheet music for the actual notes. It's not an overly difficult song. The things that make it slightly tricky is that over that D major, we have a D7 with that C. And we have a beautiful E flat with that D major. Right? So, and we have an F natural with that D major. So this part, right? So, refer to the sheet music. That's the only part those are the only notes that are outside of the chord that's given. Refer to my lessons. I have lots of lessons. I guess this is the point of my teaching is the melody is usually given in the chords. First chord is G minor. There it is. The notes of the chord dictate the melody. Here, there's a little bit of a change for that part of the melody. But again, a beautiful song. And I encourage you to try and step a little bit outside of your comfort zone so you can remember the song and internalize it. So next week, if you happen to have your accordion and you're out in a crowd of people that are supporting Ukraine, and again, this works for any song really, you'll be able to pick out your accordion I used to tape little pieces of paper to my accordion right here. So imagine G minor, D minor, B flat to F. So you can look down and say G minor to D major. Right there, the chords are right there. You don't need that big sheet of music. It's already in you. The other one little tip is, if you're looking to get a group of people singing in the right key, refer to my February monthly challenge, where starting with the 5th chord of the key of the song. So instead of starting with G minor, that's very difficult to do, especially when there are lots of people singing. Instead, hit that D7. Hitting that 5th chord, the 7 of it. Giving a beat will bring everyone together. They'll follow you when you do the... It's such a great way of starting a song. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me an email, ronan@accordionlove.com. Let's have a peaceful, loving world. Thank you.